Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today we're going to be making pepper soup. We're going to be making goat meat and also tripe pepper soup. In Cameroon we call tripe towe, while in Nigeria they call it shaki. Anyways, look at how amazing this pepper soup looks, and this is exactly what we're going to be making today. So let's get straight into the video. These are the ingredients that we're going to be using to make the pepper soup. I'm also going to list them down in the description box as well. And I just want to mention that the reason why I'm using red pepper and also yellow pepper is because the yellow pepper has this amazing flavor while the red pepper has the heat. First off, we're just going to be washing the tripe, cleaning it, and also cutting it to the perfect sizes that we would like for our pepper soup. And we're also going to be cooking it first. The reason why we're cooking it first is because it takes about an hour plus for tripe to get done, while it takes about 35 to 40 minutes for goat meat to get done. After washing the towe and draining it, I'm going to be putting it in a clean pot, and then I'm going to add water into it. The water has to be leveled up, like it has to be a little bit more than the towe, because towe takes very long to get done. While the towe is on the fire, I'm going to be blending some of the ingredients, which are the Njangsa, the celery sticks, the yellow peppers, which are for flavor, I mentioned that before, the ginger, and also the garlic as well. After adding all those ingredients, I'm just going to mix everything together and then close the pot to cook. While the tripe is cooking, I'm going to be prepping the goat meat. I'm going to be washing it and also cutting it into the perfect sizes that I think is right for the pepper soup. After washing and prepping the goat meat, I'm just going to be adding it into the pot with the tripe. By now the tripe has been cooking for about 20 minutes, because remember, it takes longer for it to get done than the goat meat, so you're supposed to cook it before the goat meat. So after adding the goat meat, I'm just going to mix all of them together and close the pot and let it cook for another 20 minutes. Mind you, my heat is on high. If your highest is 8, then leave it on 8 because it needs to cook fast. And this is what it looks like after both of them cooking for 20 minutes. Oh, thank God we're almost done with this process. Anyways, it's not done, so I'm just going to close the pot and cook it again for another 10 minutes. While the pot is cooking, we're going to be prepping the rest of our ingredients, which are the basil leaves and also the red hot peppers. The basil leaves gives pepper soup such an amazing flavor, like it just makes it smell so good, like it takes it up to like a different level. And the red peppers gives it this good amazing color as well, like it just makes it look more presentable, and it also gives pepper soup the heat that we need it to have as well. After adding the basil leaves and also the peppers, we're just going to mix everything together. Oh, it's finally coming together. It's starting to look so good. Anyways, it's still not done, so we're going to close the pot and let it cook for another 10 minutes. And it is finally done. Oh my God, finally. Look at that. Doesn't it look good? Oh, doesn't it make you hungry? Like, don't you just want some pepper soup right now? And I don't know if you guys know this, but the water has also reduced. Like, you know, when we started, the water was all the way at the top of the pot. Now it's all the way down. That's how you know it took forever to get done. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and you learned something from it. Make sure you check the description box for the list of ingredients and also the quantity that I used as well. Make sure you also check my Instagram page and follow me. I really hope this video was helpful. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye.